Welcome to our channel.
If you're tired of sagging skin, stubborn wrinkles, and longing for a more lifted, youthful appearance from your chin to your chest, then you're in the right place. Today we're taking a comprehensive look at one of the most innovative anti-aging products, the Rapid-Lift Advanced Neck Serum by Beverly Hills MD. Let's break it down. The Rapid-Lift Advanced Neck Serum features a unique formulation that incorporates pullulan, smoothing sugar crystals, and a blend of powerful extracts. These ingredients are meticulously combined to combat gravity's effects on your skin, resulting in a firmer, smoother, and more vibrant complexion. But here's the real game changer: the luxury rose quartz applicator. This isn't just any applicator, it's designed to ensure the serum is evenly distributed for maximum effectiveness. More than that, it promotes lymphatic drainage, contributing to a sleeker and more defined look, enhancing the overall results of using the serum. Now, why should you consider the Rapid-Lift Advanced Neck Serum? Well, this powerhouse product offers a range of benefits, from smoothing out those telltale signs of aging to visibly reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It's a lightweight, non-greasy serum that's gentle on even the most delicate neck skin. But, as with any product, there are always aspects to consider. Some users have reported sensitivity or the need for consistent use to maintain the effects. However, the overwhelmingly positive reviews speak for themselves. So, if you're ready to take the next step towards a lifted, smoother, and more youthful-looking neck, chin, and chest, visit the website to read the detailed review. The link is in the description box below. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare insights and expert tips.